Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a quick video for you on a vehicle from DEERC. It's the mini amphibious car. You guys see the model number there, 2624. It's supposed to be a pretty decent stunt driving car for little kids and stuff. You see it's got a 360 rotation, and it comes with two sets and tires and stuff on here. So let me go ahead, let me get this thing open and show you guys what they have inside. All right, so opening this up, you guys get a quick start instruction manual that you see here. There's going to be 3 AAAs that go into the radio, and then that's going to be if you want to switch the tires and stuff out on here. And then also the installation for the battery, you're going to take that top body off, and that's where the battery's going to go. And it does come with 2 batteries and stuff. And then it shows you the operation instructions and stuff for it too. So looking at this is actually how it comes. You guys see it's all packed up in here nice and neat. It's got 2 sets of tires, 1 set are on there, and then these are going to be another set, and you do get 4 of these with that. You get 2 batteries with this and a charger and a little tool as well to take those tires and stuff off. And to get to this, you just flip this up and pull this forward, and this is going to be the vehicle here with it, and this is going to be the remote. And it's pretty simple with that. Now you guys see on the remote it is kind of a, not a pistol grip, but a stick channel radio or 2-channel radio, and this is 2.4 gigahertz of course. And the power button is going to be right here. I went ahead and I put AA's in there, but that's going to be the power button. And you can steer this either with the joysticks up here or these buttons that are going to be on the side. Now to get to the battery, you are just going to have to lift this top part up. And that's where you're going to be installing the battery. So let me go ahead and let me get this battery charged up, and then I'll take this out probably in the garage or right up front. It's not really big. You guys see it's a miniature size RC car vehicle, and I'm just going to take it out front. I'm going to run it real quick so you guys can see this run. All right, y'all, taking this out for a quick spin. I don't expect too much for this. That's some nice little 360 turns though. Let's see. Trying to get this forward, drive this over here. I wanted to try it in a different terrain with it. Definitely will get some stunts going. Let's see the range on it. Now I think the other tires you put on here is not going to make it do so many spins and stunts and stuff. Try to get this to come back over to me real quick. Now it does have different functionality on it, and these are going to be the buttons on the radio to make it go in different directions there with that. And we have these far right ones. To get that going there with that. So this is more or less made for indoors, but I may bring it to one of an event I have coming up pretty soon with it too as well. I might go ahead and try these other tires on here to see how those function there with this. You know what, I do wonder how good this is going to jump. So let me get my little ramp out and jump this. But before I get the ramp out and jump this, I am going to change the tires out because this is what causes it to go in the different directions. And of course, when you hit one of these buttons here, it's just going to go to left or right because all of these kind of do rotate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put these tires on here real quick and just run it real quick with these tires on here. And just so you know, as you take this off, you guys see those little hexes on them. These tires are going to fit right on here. So let me go ahead and get these tires on real quick, and I want to see how this performs with these new tires on here. All right, got these other tires on. Now with the other tires on, the functionality of these buttons on the side, if you guys will see right here, that's to make it go forward. As you guys see with that button there, I press that one. It's fine on that one, and it's fine on going those forward and backward directions. But to the left and right, it's gonna struggle just a little bit, as you guys see there, because of the way the tires and stuff rotate with that. We got a little helicopter flying over top. But functionality wise, just like this, it seems to be fine. I mean, this will be one of those good little robot war cars that you got going on here. In my opinion, drives a little bit better with these tires on, a little bit more controllable until the direction of it, forward and backward. see it doesn't do those 360s as well with these tires as it did with the other ones, but it'll be fine for what it's worth if this is something that you're into and want to get this out. So DRC did send this to me for this, show this to you guys, so I just want to demo this for you. There'll be a link in the description if you're interested in something like this. I don't think anybody's gonna go brushless with this because it's gonna be fast enough as it is. So anyway guys, put your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'm gonna play around with this a little bit more out here and take it off road and run on some ant piles too. And then put your comments down below. As always, I appreciate you guys watching.